Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $999. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond. Only with Smart Postpaid.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
I value this the most.
Sulitin natin.
You guys ready?
Power all 99, please.
All access data and only TikTok for only 99 pesos.
Magic data for me.
Data that doesn't expire up to 99 pesos. Smart Super Value deals coming right up.
Get the most out of your 99 pesos. With PowerAll's 8 GB for all apps plus only TikTok.
Or magic data that doesn't expire. Switching? Simple with Smart eSIM.
Smart Super Value deals.
And we are back here at the Don Domingo Yuchu Gymnasium, Tatsiahao, Tatsia 1An, as we see here the faithful of St. Jude Catholic School. We'll see action here in our second game. I am Coach Chris King de la Cruz, together with Coach Joseph Guillon, as we see here the faithful on the other end, the Jubilee Christian Academy supporters bringing you the action of the 11th season of the Philippine Chingyuan Athletic Association. And second game for this doubleheader, we have the quarterfinal game between the twice to beat St. Jude Catholic School against the Jubilee Christian Academy. Coach Joseph, magandang gabi sa'yo.
Hi, good evening everyone. So we're here in the 11th season of Philippine Chingyan Athletic Association playoffs. So kanina, napanood nyo yung first game natin, an exciting game. It's a battle for number 2. Ito naman tayo. Nasa playoffs na tayo dito, in the quarterfinal game. So St. Jude wanted to 3 in a row. One in the elimination, one in the knockout game, battle for number 4, and now they'll be the one with chance to send Jubilee at home. Tingnan natin dito. Tapos na nga yung atin ang atin yung standings. St. Stephen with currently number 1. Sa panalong MGC yun. They put themselves into number 2. Uno in number 3. They're gonna be sa quarterfinals natin, Uno and PCC. And now, yung quarterfinal game natin is St. Jude and Jubilee.
Sino makakalaban ng, let's say, sino mananalo dito sa seryeng ito as we look at our officials on the screen? Sino mananalo dito?
Yung
Joseph,
mananalo dito,
makakalaban?
makakalaban itong St. Stephen High School. Its winner here will go for number 4. So, magka-quarterfinals pa itong PCC and Uno. Then, sino naman mananalo doon will go up against the MGC.
Tough road ahead. Sino man mananalo dito sa matchup na ito. We are underway as our starters are being called by our venue announcer. St. Jude Catholic School here being battered by Ethan Cao. Jubilee Christian Academy will rely on Carl Uy, Paris ng Leo, and Jericho Bautista, their team captain. Para naman sa mga bataan ni Coach
So, dito naman kila Coach. Actually, me and Coach Luis talk kanina papunta dito. And he knows the magnitude also of this game na kumbaga yung approach nila dito na wag ka nang papatalo, wag mo isipin na meron kang twice to beat advantage. Kasi that complacency, usually yun naman talaga kalaban ng mga teams na may mga advantage na ganyan. Yung going up against this, another hungry team, which is Jubilee Warriors. Talaga may hirapan ka talaga pag nagpatalo ka ng isang beses dito if Jubilee forces you into a do or die game.
Mindset ni Coach Luis Nolasco ng St. Jude is 0-0 eh. No?
Oh,
Hindi
yes.
tayo up
Oh.
1-0.
Kung hindi nga lang 0-0, 0-1 pa.
Oo. Para talagang walang complacency. As we look here, the screen Coach Luis Nolasco together with his staff.
Coach
staff
Martin
here.
Go
Yes.
and Coach Bernard Digia, Trinity College, and then also as assistant coach of Coach Goldwyn Monteverde at UP.
We're underway here now for this quarterfinal matchup between St. Jude Catholic School and Jubilee Christian Academy. St. Jude gets first possession to open this first quarter, brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Pass inside while there. Carl Mukadun keep up. Turnover for the Green Knights. Jubilee now making the move. Jericho Bautista, fiery scorer here, kicks it out to Manalili. Back to Bautista. Uses that screen. Turns around. Short. Gustan fighting for the ball, but possession will go to the St. Jude Catholic School Green Knights. Nice give and go play there,
Wow,
but
what a block right there.
block inside.
Takbo dito itong Jubilee.
Gustan, Jericho Bautista. Corner to Dang Leo. Back to Tan, Shihan Tan. Nang Leo for 3. Too strong on that try. Obi de la Cruz, forward pass to Carl Mungu, kicks it out to Tan. Ethan Cao drives, sidesteps, loses the ball, but short of the try. Ethan Cao gets again the offensive rebound. De la Cruz recycling the offense, 10-8 to shoot now, because he knows it. 5, kicks it out. 3-pointer will be too strong, but the Judy Knights saving the ball. Ethan Cao now. 6 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds. Kobe de la Cruz from way out. No good. Carl Gu.
Another offensive rebound para dito sa white shirts. So, sakit sa ulo dito ni Coach Benji yung rebounding. Speaking of offensive rebound, what a shot right there by Kit Ngu, giving the Judy Knights the first 2 points here in the basket, coming off that offensive rebound.
A for
Hindi ko
effort
na
there.
mabilang yun kung ilan yun. I think 4, 5, 6 offensive rebound at the start of this first quarter. Makikita mo na agad yung intensity, yung gustong i-dictate, yung gustong laro ng gagawin dito ng St. Jude.
Jericho Bautista nagpapakilala na para sa Jubilee Christian Academy, knocking down that 3-point shot. 3-2 is our count. Jubilee Christian Academy up. Ethan Cao kicks it out, but Jericho Bautista will go all the way. Quick 5-point swing from Jericho Bautista. 5-2, Jubilee Christian Academy.
I just want to say hi to all our viewers with 351 viewers. Isa na doon si Coach Mike Oliver, which is yung mga kalaban nitong which is nanonood lang din, di ba? Kumbaga kasama natin dito sa PCYA.
Yes.
Now he's enjoying the game now as spectator. We have a
Evening,
good
Coach
season.
Mike.
Now we're gonna be, I know whether the team will be ready, probably coming next year.
Gustan now providing the screen to Jericho Bautista. Steps back, 3, short. Tan secures the rebound. Tan, elbow, 3, hits the iron. We ran out of space in saving that ball. Babalik ang possession para sa Green Knights ng St. Jude Catholic School. 6.5 minutes remaining in the first. 5-4 is our count. Favor of Jubilee Christian Academy. Ethan Cao. Keith Ngu. Think about 3. Ethan Cao. Driving, spinning. Defense of Paris ng Leo prevailing there, creating a turnover in favor of Jubilee Christian Academy. Babalik sa kanilang bola with 6 minutes, 12 seconds remaining. First quarter of action, quarterfinals. St. Jude Catholic School twice to beat against Jubilee Christian Academy. Tanaw. Balik kay ng Leo. Jericho Bautista, 3-point shot. His second attempt, no good. Ethan Cao secures the letter. Forward pass to Tan. Last minute pass to Carl Ngu, and that will be good. Short stop inside for Keith Ngu.
What a good primary offense right there. A pass to the corner, a drive and a drop pass to Keith Ngu. Yun naman talaga yung mga early offense na ituro dito ni Coach Luis.
Keith Ngu norms 15 points. As we see here, Jericho Bautista corner 3. Too strong there. Kobe De La Cruz calming his troops. 18 to shoot for the Green Knights. Lance Tan. Christian Kobe De La Cruz fakes the pass. Drops it to Keith Ngu. Short stab from the baseline is good. And Jubilee Christian Academy would want to talk things over. Lamang ang St. Jude Catholic School 8-5. We will be right back.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
And we're back here at the Don Domingo Yu Chu Memorial Gymnasium here at Uno High School. See here officials from the Jubilee Christian Academy watching this ball game. Twice to beat ang St. Jude against their Jubilee Christian Academy. They're trailing 8-5 at this point. 5 minutes, 7 seconds remaining. Supporters of St. Jude here enjoying the ball game here at Uno High School. 5 minutes, 7 seconds remaining. Christian Kobe De La Cruz intercepting that pass. Ethan Cao against 2 maroon shirts. And 3-second violation now, overpassing there on the part of the Green Knights.
Actually, St. Jude has the mental edge going up against Jubilee here in the third time this tournament, winning both on that game. So talagang alam mo yun, kung meron kang kumpiyansa, mataas kumpiyansa mo against this team, kasi talagang naka 2-0 ka na sa kanila. Ngayon, you have the chance to knock them off. So talagang yung confidence level itong mga bata ni Coach Luis dito, nag-uumapaw.
Ethan Cao, empty possession on that play for St. Jude Catholic School. 17 seconds to shoot here. Carl Ngu, Ethan Cao thought of the 3. Pass deflected. Carl Ngu kicks it out to Ethan Cao for 3. Will be good for Ethan Cao. 11-5 now is the count. St. Jude Catholic School up by 6 over Jubilee Christian Academy. 4 minutes, 11 seconds remaining in the first. Jericho Bautista finding Carl Uy. Manalili with that screen. Step back from baseline. Carl Uy, no good. Want to bother that possession. Unsuccessful. Kobe Christian De La Cruz. Lance Tan runs out of space. Sideline.
Jubilee Christian Academy has a promising start of this season with 3-0 yung start nitong team na to. Pero yun na nga, they got the 3 straight lost. And the last game of the elimination, they got that win to 4-3. That's why they're here in the quarterfinals. So they have a knockoff game against St. Jude to get that number 4 spot. Pero yan, nanalo nga yung St. Jude doon. Pero yung kumbaga, sinasabi natin dito, they have the players to compete here in the PCYAA. They have the Carl Uy, Gaston, Manalili, Nang Leo. Talagang hindi mo rin talaga pwedeng sabihin dadaanan na lang to ng St. Jude dito sa game na to.
Keith Ngu doing damage inside. That's his 8th point of this ball game.
Pero balik dito sa zone dito itong St. Jude. Talaga it's just a matter of time bago iangat ni Coach Luis itong white shirts to be a put a full court press here.
Ryan Tan, one-legged fade away from the baseline is good. Ethan Cao, strong drive to the basket. No good. Tumatakbo ngayon ang mga nakamaroon ng Jubilee Christian Academy. Jericho Bautista pulls up. Too strong. Manalili, clean-up job. But he will have the chance to earn his points from the stripe. Zach C committing his first personal foul. Shidan Tan checking in for St. Jude. Justin Manalili clocks in his first free throw to make it 13-8. 2 minutes 37 seconds remaining. Yung psychological advantage, Coach Joseph, talagang hawak din ng St. Jude Catholic School coming into this ball game. Kaya malaking bagay din yun para baga edge nila yun. Para, oh sige, we got your number. Sino? Zach C against Bautista. Kicks it out. Keith Ngu. Christian De La Cruz makes the pass. Wild shot from way beyond.
Balikan natin yung sinabi mo psychological advantage itong St. Jude. Pero kung ikaw naman sa Jubilee, yung approach mo dito is nothing to lose na tayo. Diba? St. Jude beat us twice. Kumbaga, laban na lang natin to. Kumbaga, nothing to lose mentality. Kumbaga, we're here now in the playoffs. Whatever happens here, let's leave it inside the court.
And awesome move by the scoring machine of St. Jude Catholic School. Ethan Cao zigzagging his way to the bucket for the 2 points. 15-11 is our count. St. Jude Catholic School lamang ng 4. 1 minute 31 seconds remaining. Carluy pull-up jumper. Strong Keith Ngu grabs the board. Christian Kobe De La Cruz forwards pass to Ethan Cao. Keith Ngu mid-range jumper. That's his shot, but not that time. Jubilee Christian Academy now on the attack. Manalili. Carluy. Bautista up and under. Difficult shot. 2 points for Jericho Bautista.
After leading by 8, now only St. Jude lead by 2. Look at this. Kumbaga, yun ang sinasabi natin, nothing to lose mentality para dito sa mga bata ni Coach Benji.
Good give and go there from Keith Ngu. Ian Cao for that short stab inside. Balik sa 4 ang kalamangan ng St. Jude Catholic School, 70-13. Last 34 seconds, Jericho Bautista. Long ball, no good. Christian Kobe De La Cruz now. Last 26 seconds of the first quarter. 16 seconds to shoot for the Green Knights. Christian Kobe De La Cruz. Screen by Ngu. Challenge there by 2 maroon shirts, and the Green Knights will retain possession with 4 seconds on the shot clock. 11.5 remaining the first quarter. Shidan Tan checking out. Lee now. We filled it in. Knockout player there, but Gaston stole the ball. And the counter still by St. Jude. 4 seconds. Ethan Cao, 2 side steps. And the hoop and the arm for Ethan Cao.
sasabihin ko pa naman sana, both team mas malayo pa sa penalty. Pero if you're gonna give up a and one in the last 6 seconds of the first quarter, that's a no-no to a coach.
Take a look on that beautiful sidestep move by Ethan Cow late on the clock. And he earned the trip for a bonus free throw. Chance to make it the 7-point lead for the Green Knights with 1 second remaining in the first. And that will be it for our first quarter. It's 19-13. St. Jude Catholic School up by 6. We will be right back. Let's take a look first. The first quarter highlights brought to us by Smart Sports. Jericho Bautista there sparking the attack of Jubilee, while we see here Ethan Cowie's usual offensive prowess being displayed. Jericho Bautista never to be outdone. We'll be back for the second quarter of action.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.
See here the beautiful faces joining us here live in our coverage. Faithful from St. Jude Catholic School. Second quarter now underway, brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gus Stansek and serving no good. Hindi nagkaamo yan, dalawang nakaputi ng St. Jude. Balik sa Jubilee ang bola, but Manalili will have the chance to earn his 2 points behind the stripe. Nice hustle play there by Justin Manalili.
Keeping the ball alive because of that miscommunication of 2 white shirts. Is itong resulta sa 2 free throw for Manalili. First quarter numbers natin dito, Ethan with 9 points in 10 minutes. So, talagang hindi na rin siya inupo dito ni Coach Luis.
All out na nga, ika nga, no?
He's currently right now in the bench. Probably a minute or 2. Kung maganda naman, pinapakita pa ulit ng white shirts, extended rest for him. So he could be ready more on the stretch period.
While on the part of Jubilee, it's Jericho Bautista doing the damage. Lee now for St. Jude. Want to find a friend. Ko facing Carl Uy. Steps back. Zach C. Nothing there. Jericho Bautista now. Want to create. Back to Justine Manalili. Carl Uy. Zigzagging. Throws the ball up and he would be fouled upstairs. He'll have a trip on the line for 2. Chiran Tan, first personal foul. Let's see here. That move by Carl Uy, zigzagging there. Ayun, sumabit ang paa kay Chiran Tan on his way to the basket. First free throw is good for Carl Uy.
Pagkwentuhan nga namin ni Carl, ito, the one that supported him all the way, it's his dad. It's just, lahat ng live stream natin, pinapanood ng dad niya. So, talagang well supported itong bata to. Kaya, actually, to be a good player, you must be a support from the home itself. Kumbaga yung lahat ng nasa bahay nyo, dapat alam niyo yung ginagawa mo, suportado ka. Kasi on the Saturday pa lang, sila yung gigising ng maaga sa'yo, sila yung maghahatid sa'yo, sila yung manunood sa'yo, sila yung magiging critic mo. So lahat yun. So sabi niya nga, number 1 critic niya is his dad. So, kaya naging ganito yung laro niya. It's because also, yun na nga, sa pagpupuna palagi ng dad niya sa mga laro niya. And look at that defense! Come on, Carl! Talaga on cue pa rin, no? While we're talking about him, pinakitaan niya tayo ng free throw at pinakitaan niya tayo ng depensa.
It was an awesome chase down block there for Carl Uy. Sa opensa, no? Yung lost art nung pull-up jumper. One dribble, then pull-up. Itong binibigay ni Carl Uy. As we see the Saxi's usual running bank shot. First 2 points for Zach C. 4-point lead for St. Jude Catholic School, 21-17, 8 minutes, 20 seconds remaining. Second quarter, we have traveling violation against Carl Uy. Good defense here for St. Jude, forcing the turnover for the top gunner of Coach Benji Sipin and Jubilee Christian Academy, Zach C. Tan, mid-range, no good. Zach C, second serving. Up fake, Tan. Still no good. Nang Leo. Surveys the floor now for Jubilee. Gives it to Gus Tan. Paris ng Leo. Running jumper.
Wow.
Will be good.
Ayan sinasabi mo, lost art. Partner, that one dribble pull up. That job, one dribble pull up.
Last lost art, no? Being displayed here by Jubilee as again, Zach C. Fourth point of this game for Zach C's patented running bank shot. His go-to shot, doing wonders for him. 23-19, St. Jude Catholic School still up. 7 minutes, 16 seconds. Carl Uy, lista mo na from mid-range. 23-19 is our count. Or 23-21 rather. Zach C from way beyond, and it's good! 7-point barrage here from Zach C. St. Jude Catholic School up again, the lead by 5, 26-21. Jubilee now on the attack. Tan now finding Justin Manalili. Give and go. Tan inside. Malakas. Ball possession will go to St. Jude Catholic School as Sean Tan protects that rock. Gus Tan committing his first personal foul.
So, balik dito sa man-to-man defense itong Jubilee. Zach on top. Well, development right here. 4 minutes na yung nakakalipas dito sa second quarter. Nandun pa rin sa bench si Ethan. So, yun nga sinasabi natin. If the watcher is still doing a good job, okay, keep him at bench muna. Give him the rest. Alam naman natin dito yung capacity ni Ethan. Kailangan ni Coach Luis yan hanggang dulo.
Kobe de la Cruz now being fielded in. Kailangan na magtitimon para sa mga bataan ni Coach Luis Nolasco. Together with Keith Ngu, who has played splendid game here in the first quarter of action. 6 minutes, 7 seconds remaining in the first half here in our second game. Paris ng Leo couldn't handle the rock. Balik ang possession ngayon sa St. Jude Catholic School, Coburg Christian de la Cruz. Zach C. sparked that offensive barrage in this quarter. Kobe Christian de la Cruz, Zach C, corner free, in and out. He checked there for Zach C. Jubilee Christian Academy now with on the offensive. Carl Uy driving, but he will be buttered and smothered. Earned his points behind the line.
So, Kobe de la Cruz is limping. So now he's on the floor. Hindi natin alam kung tapilok ba to. Oh, yan. Kung sa the way he hold his ankle right there. So, yun nga. Tapilok nga to. Taas pa naman tumalon itong batan to. It's a big blow to Coach Luis if ever matuluyan itong injury dito ni Kobe because yun nga, kino-convert niya nga to as a point guard itong si Kobe de la Cruz. Kasi alam natin na wala dito si Kwan si Chong. Si Andre Chong,
Andre,
which is
yung sideline, no, for the
probably
whole of
one
the
of his
season.
primary ball handler. So Andre will be sidelined for this season. Probably next season, his final year. Makakabalik siya dito sa Green Knights.
But Carl Uy misses on his first try on the stripe. Still 26-21 is our count. That would be good for the second free throw, but Coach Luis Nolasco will call a timeout. Lamang sila 26-21. We will be right back.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Second quarter of action here. 5 minutes 31 seconds remaining. Coach Chris King de la Cruz po kasama si Coach Joseph Guion, bringing you the action of this second game of the 11th Philippine Chingin Athletic Association season quarterfinal game. Again, pakipaliwanag sa mga audience natin na nanonood, Coach Joseph, no implications ng laro na to. Let's say, manalo ngayon ng St. Jude, ano ang mangyayari?
If St. Jude win today, they're gonna go up now into the semifinals round against St. Stephen High School. So, pag nanalo naman yung Jubilee, we're gonna still have a do-or-die game on Thursday. So, twice to beat advantage is on the St. Jude side. Sabi nga natin, kumbaga, they're not thinking about that twice to beat advantage because yun dun ka mayayari, di ba? Because of that complacency and because of that mindset that you have that edge. So, talagang probably 1-0-1 mentality itong mga to. Kaya naman they keeping them sharp. Now they have a 4-point lead here in the second quarter.
I also talked to Coach Luis Nolasco earlier. They really wanted to ride the momentum of having consecutive wins against this Jubilee squad. Bakit nga naman sasayangin pa natin yung araw? Kunin na natin ngayon. That's the mindset of Coach Luis Nolasco and his staff. And Jubilee Christian Academy not giving up on that possession. Justin Manalili on that cleanup job reduces that lead of St. Jude to just 2. Zach C. would want to try to find a friend. Keith Ngu gives it to Ethan Cao against Paris ng Leo. 7 seconds to shoot. Tan inside. 4 seconds. 2. 1 second to shoot. Bailout shot. And St. Jude Catholic School will commit a shot clock violation. Good defense there by Jubilee Christian Academy.
Good defense pinakita ng Jubilee doon. Talagang sinasara nila. Every time Ethan Cao is holding that ball, talagang nakakarga yung depensa for him to drive para napapaisip siya to give up that ball. There's a foul right there. Probably will be called to Keith Ngu.
Paris ng Leo fishing for that foul. Ipinali sa ere yung bola to fish for that foul. He will earn his point from the stripe. St. Jude Catholic School now has 4 team fouls. Ramdam na ngayon yung kawalan ng isang Christian Kobe de la Cruz sa parte ng St. Jude Catholic School. Seems their offense is in disarray at this point. Gumanda yung flow kanina na-disrupt.
You cannot expect Kobe to score, pero Kobe will be there to play defense, to bring down the ball, to drive deep and extra pass to the wing. And the intensity on defense, yun talaga yung gusto ni Coach Luis doon kay Kobe.
Also, their stabilizer. Asak C finds Keith Ngu inside. Still
What a
Keith
pass
Ngu
right
continues
there to
the
Keith.
damage inside.
Talagang sinet up din talaga ni Zach yun papunta kay Keith.
Uy now, forces that one short. 8 seconds to shoot, hindi tumama ang bola sa ring. And running jumper, courtesy by Ryan Tan. Ties the game at 28 all. Ethan Cow, Sack C, zigzagging, but trip. 3-on-1, wait, 3-on-2. And no good there for Jubilee. Balik ang bola sa St. Jude. Ethan Cow 1-on-1. That will be good for Ethan Cow.
It's a fast break machine itong si Ethan Cow going on the transition downhill drive. Ang hirap pigilan kasi nga sabi nga natin, he has the height and he has the width and he has the skill to finish that shot.
Carlul, wild shot from the outside there. Forward pass, Ethan Cow to Keith Ngu for the finish. Fantastic fast break play here for St. Jude Catholic School. They are now up by 4:32-28 with 2 minutes 51 seconds remaining in the first half. Norman Tan gives it back to Nang Leo. Carluy. Nang Leo drives, kicks it out. Carluy, patented runner, strong. Play continues now for the Green Knights. Ethan Cow open for the three. It will be good for Ethan Cow, and Coach Benji Sipin would want a ceasefire. St. Jude Catholic School up 35-28. Ethan Cow making it possible. That forward pass to a streaking Carl Ngu, and then this 3-point shot of his own. We will be right back after this timeout.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond. Only with Smart Postpaid.
7-0 run here by St. Jude Catholic School after being tied up at 28 all. Forces Coach Benji Sipin of Jubilee Christian Academy to call for a ceasefire at this 2 minute 28 seconds point of this game or this quarter.
That 7-0 run na ginawa nung itong St. Jude, it's all because of Ethan Cow on the first of the fast break. And the second is the forward pass to Kitnu, and the third one before the timeout is that stop pop on the 3-point line para dito kay Ethan. That's why they're up now by 7.
5 out of 7 points. That lead belongs to Ethan Cow. Senior Paris ng Leo zigzagging. Bothered by 2 white shirts. 2 seconds to shoot for Jubilee. No good. Play continues. Ethan Cow. Fast break. 2 minutes remaining in this second quarter. Saxi. 3-point shot. No good. Justin Manalili. Or rather, Tan for that rebound. Uy. Tan now being bothered by Lance Tan. Or that's Sean Tan by St. Jude.
So it's going to be a penalty now for dito sa St. Jude. It's going to be 2 free throw. It's going to be free throw for Shihan Tan. Try to cut down the lead into 5. Probably if he makes 2 of it. The first
Shihan
one is
Tan.
off.
Off. It's too short on that free throw attempt. Makes the good adjustment on the second sinks. The second 29-35. Still St. Jude leading Jubilee Christian Academy.
So it's going to be a full court press right now para dito sa Jubilee, it's gonna be 2-1, but easily being broken by the white shirts. So
Ethan Cao thought of a 3. Cross-court pass. Corner 3, Keith Ngu. Too strong. Jubilee attacking. Norman Tan zigzagging. Teardrop will be good for Norman Tan. 35-31 now is our count. 4-point lead. St. Jude Catholic School. Jubilee within striking distance. 59 seconds remaining. Ethan Cao, thought of a 3, driving, uses the bank, too strong. Follow-up is no good. Keith Ngu, 7-second serving.
they should
Will
have
not
put
go.
the body to Kit Ngu. Kit Ngu is leading everyone in the rebounding department.
Kumbaga, kinulang sa kaldag. Diba? Could have
Now
brushed
7.
off his defender there inside.
Sabi mo, papayat-payat lang eh. Pero alam mo yung athleticism niya, di ba? Yung activity niya underneath the basket, talagang yun yung nagdadala sa kanya kung bakit nakakakuha siya ng bola.
13 points now for Keith Ngu. Kasamang 5 rebounds. Miss on that second try. Shihan Tan rushing things now. 40 seconds remaining. Go. Back to Jericho Bautista. Wants to find a friend. Kicks out to Nang Leo. Shihan Tan. But there will be a foul. No continuation given. But Shihan Tan will troop the line as St. Jude Catholic School is in the penalty situation. Pansin natin dito, no, Jericho Bautista nanahimik dito sa second period after scoring 7 quick points in the first, scoreless here in the second period.
Tama yan. Eh, sana sasabihin ko na biglang nawala dito si Bautista on the second half. Tapat-tapat lang sila dito kanina ni Ethan.
Ethan Cao now, 13 seconds. Want to create 7 seconds on the shot clock. Being bothered by Shihan Tan, kicks it out. 2 seconds to shoot. And that will be an empty possession for St. Jude Catholic School. Shot clock violation, 4.1 remaining in the second quarter. Jubilee Christian Academy full court press now for St. Jude Catholic School. Coach Luis Nolasco giving direction to his boys.
It's gonna be a 2-1 full court press para dito.
2
to
seconds.
disrupt.
Oh, and that will do it for this first half of action. 36-31, St. Jude on top against Jubilee Christian Academy. We will be right back after this halftime break.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Go beyond with Smart. the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $999. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
I value this the most.
Sulitin natin.
You guys ready?
Power all 99, please.
All access data and only TikTok for only 99 pesos.
Magic data for me.
Data that doesn't expire up to 99 pesos. Smart Super Value deals coming right up.
Get the most out of your 99 pesos. With PowerAll's 8 GB for all apps plus Unli TikTok.
Or magic data that doesn't expire. Switching? Simple with Smart eSIM.
Smart Super Value deals.
And we are on the half, 36-31. St. Jude Catholic School up by 5 points here. They have the twice to beat advantage over Jubilee Christian Academy. Let's take a look at the first half highlights. 2 of the 7 points of Jericho Bautista there. Ethan Cow brought to us by Smart Sports. Zach C doing his damage in the second quarter. Carl Louie, his usual self here, being banked on by Jubilee. And Carl Ngu scoring 13 points in that first half, while Ethan Cow scattered 14 points during that first half. Coach Joseph, anong magandang ginawa ng St. Jude Catholic School at ng Jubilee, kaya ganito kalapit pa lang din ang ating talaan?
They run the floor and they have that edge on the fast break points with 15-7. As you can see in the halftime stats with the field goals, lamang dito in St. Jude with 16-23 because they control the rebounds with 25-16. And then makikita mo dito yung turnover. Dito nakakalapit yung Jubilee because of this 13 turnover na commit ditong St. Jude. That's why nako-convert din dito ng Jubilee. Actually, naitabla pa nila yan to 28 all. And then, well, that run happened. 7-0 run na ginawa dito ni Ethan Cow. That's why they're up here by 5. Pero yun na nga, hindi keeping the bay itong Jubilee, pero hindi talaga nila kayang iwanan totally.
And that 13 turnovers spelled the difference for St. Jude Catholic School, gifting Jubilee Christian Academy 8 points. So, kaya ito, nasa striking distance pa rin itong Jubilee Christian Academy coming into the second half, which will start in a short while. Let's see what adjustments coaches from both sides will employ, especially side of St. Jude Catholic School missing Kobe de la Cruz now. He's fielded back in by Coach Luis Tulasco. May konting limp on the side. Alam mong iniinda pero ayaw
Saka na tayo.
na,
Actually,
saka na.
if they win here, they have a long rest.
Yes.
Because after nitong week na to, we don't have a game next week. So, March 12 yung balik natin because of the examinations of the school. So, talagang mag-give way tayo dun sa mga exams para wala naman na may iwan dito sa mga student-athlete natin. Kaya yung matagal-tagal yung balik natin. So kung meron ka man iniinda ngayon, kumbaga, konting sakripisyo na lang, isang half na lang tayo dito, and then you can have the rest you want.
Stress on that student athlete, though. We really stress that here in the Philippine Qingyan Athletic Association. We value academics for these athletes, as we see here. St. Jude on the offensive end. Ethan Cao scored 14 points in the first half. Balik sa kanyang bola. Goes to his left. Would want to spin. Keith Wu from way beyond. No good. Too strong on that try. Hit the front of the iron.
Yeah, it's one of the kailangan na pagtutukan ni Keith Ngu coming to the off-season. Coming this summer. Madagdagan yung range niya dun. Shooting from the outside. Kasi actually he has the hand eh. He has that perimeter shots. Pero kung madadagdagan niyo yun, yung game niya ng gano'n, 3-point shooting, talagang mag-iiba yung dimension ng laro nitong St. Jude.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, tama sabi mo, nandunan, meron na eh. Yung consistency na lang in making it.
Yes.
Fakes now. Keith Lu kicks it out to Kobe De La Cruz. Tan. Lance Tan escaping his defender but loses the handle. Paris ng Leo forward to Tan, but St. Jude Catholic School was there.
It's a no-no pass right there. Patatagusin mo yung bola sa dalawang white shirts on that transition.
Again, Keith Ngu doing the damage
Yes,
from
sinasabi natin.
mid-range.
That mid-range, that perimeter jumper of Keith Ngu. Ayan, meron na siyang kamay. Kailangan niya lang pag-insayuhan pa, umaangat pa, lumayo pa yung range niya on the 3-point basket.
40-31 now is our count. St. Jude still up. And Gostan misses completely on that undergo stab. Kobe De La Cruz runs out of real estate to save that ball. Merong iniinda talaga nung bata.
Kung makikita mo, papasok siya kanina, may iniinda siya. Pero that forward pass na wala bigla eh. Tapos nung after doon, nag-turnover na, bumalik na naman yung inda niya. Kumbaga, it's all on the mental of these players if they're gonna let the injuries go inside their brains. Ang sinasabi natin dito, pag alam mo pag oras na ibibilisan mo, meron yan eh. Diba? Talagang kukusa pa rin yan. Nandun pa rin yung puso mo to get that ball.
That adrenaline rush.
Yes.
Para wag mong maramdaman lahat, maibigay mo lahat. Manalili down to Gustan. Jericho Bautista. Kobe De La Cruz intercepting that pass. 3-on-3. Ethan Cao on the post. Scoop shot is not there, but Keith Ngu again for the clean up.
No, St. Jude enjoyed the largest lead of this ball game with 11 points. So still scoreless dito itong Jubilee in the third quarter.
Corner 3 for Jubilee will not be good, and there will be a foul against a maroon shirt. Let's see there, Ethan Cao spinning, but Keith Ngu, right place, right time for the cleanup job. 42-31, 11-point lead now for St. Jude Catholic School. 6 minutes, 53 seconds remaining in the third. Keith Ngu. Ethan Cao. Tan now. Fakes his guard. Keith Ngu, mid-range. 6 straight points for Keith Ngu.
Hindi tayo pinahiya ni Keith yun nung sinabi natin may kamay siya. Yun talaga, pinapakitaan tayo dito ng mga mid-range jumper, the short corner jumper again for him.
Jericho Bautista, meanwhile, completely losing that 3-point attempt. And Tan reverse, buttered by Gustan there. Jericho Bautista tumatakbo, binigay kay Gustan, kicks it out. Carluy drives, no good. Keith Ngu protects the letter. Kobe De La Cruz forward pass to Ethan Cao. Ethan Cao fishing for a foul. Ganda na sana nun kung di diretso eh. No?
But he
Ethan
was
Cao,
expecting
yeah.
Manilili to chase down block right there. Kaya hindi mo naman sabihin na ilang siya. Pero more on, ginulangan niya na lang.
That's the play of the mind of Ethan Cow, no? Brilliant player. Shooting his 2 free throws. First free throw is off for the former Batang Gilas candidate for the Green Knights. 13-point lead at this point. 5 minutes, 49 seconds remaining. And Coach Benji Sipin would want to talk things over. They're down 13 points. We will be right back after this timeout.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond. Only with Smart Postpaid.
And we are back here in action at the Don Domingo Yu Chu Memorial Gymnasium. Supporters of Jubilee Christian Academy in attendance here, supporting their players, loved ones. As we see now on our screens, the supporters of the Green Knights of St. Jude. Shout out here to Ahia Kelvin Chong of Dura Light, and our chairman of the board, Coach Sherwin Tiu, St. Jude Catholic School. Back in action, 5 minutes, 44 seconds remaining in the third. 45-31, St. Jude still up. Paris ng Leo, corner 3. No good, Gustan, offensive rebound, but he lost the ball. 2-on-2, St. Jude. Ethan Cow, Keith Ngu one-hander. 8 straight points for Keith Ngu. 47-31 now is our count. Third quarter. St. Jude still leading. Jubilee Christian Academy. Jericho Bautista, Gaston, but was met there by Keith Ngu.
A change of defense right there by the St. Jude Catholic School. Coming off a timeout. Binigla nila ng man-to-man defense. And usually yung mga ginagawa ng mga coaches natin, coming off a timeout, talagang binabago nila just to disrupt the play na ginagawa ng opposing coach or opposing team. So now it's I think it's Jubilee's turn now to press here. Yeah, they're signaling for the full court press. Tingnan natin dito. But the rebound first here for Carl Uy.
Kicks out that pass after having 2 white shirts inside. Jericho Bautista still silent after his 7-point outburst in the first quarter. Bola mananatili sa Jubilee Christian Academy after that foul from Shiran Tan. Third personal foul. Third team foul for St. Jude Catholic School. 14 seconds to shoot. 5 minutes and change here remaining in the third. Justin Manalili, Carl Uy from the mid-range, strong. Shiran Tan couldn't handle the pass, but possession will go to the Green Knights. Sean Tan being fielded back in place of Shiran Tan. Matthew Tan also fielded by Coach Luis Nolasco. Ethan Cow now.
It's 5 minutes in the second quarter. 1 point pa lang inidadagdag dito ng Jubilee. The drought still continues for them. Tingnan na.
Good defense there for Ethan Cow, preventing that fast break attack.
So it's 11-1 here in this quarter. That's why lumobo na dito yung kalamangan ng St. Jude to 15. Balik na dito sa zone itong mga bataan ni Coach Luis.
11-1 run, 8 points there courtesy of Keith Ngu. Bautista uses that Manalili screen, being guarded by Tan. Gustan, one-hander, off. Christian Kobe de la Cruz pushing the pace now for St. Jude. Kicks it out to Ethan Cow. Drive strong. Nothing there but Kobe de la Cruz. Still no good on the second try. Carl Uy now for Jubilee. Changes direction and he will be fouled upstairs.
And it's a kamikaze drive right there for Carl Uy. Underman siya dun eh. 1 against 3 but he goes straight to the basket. And a good thing for him, he got a foul. So si Ethan pa ata yung nakuha na niya ng foul dun. Ngayon, nandito siya sa free throw line trying to get to 2 points here.
Carl Uy with norms of 20.1 points per game. Now, 5 points in the game for Carl Uy.
Sabihin na natin na napaghandaan ni Coach Luis itong si Carl Uy dito. Talagang hindi niya binibigay yung mid-range ito ni Carl eh. Alam naman natin itong strength. One dribble pull-up is so deadly itong si Carl Uy.
Laging punta niya sa kanan eh.
Yes, that one
may nakaabang
dribble.
na kagad dun sa defender na alam niya nilang dadalhin sa kanan ni Carl Uy yung bola. First personal here for Carl Uy. Third team foul for Jubilee. Ethan Cow now. Step back 3. In and out for Ethan Cow. Carl Uy secures the board for Jubilee. Gives it up to Gustan Bautista ng Leo. Back to ng Leo for 3. Too strong that time. Ethan Cow would spin, goes all the way, and that will be good for Ethan Cow. Ethan Cow, napaka-relax lang ng paglalaro ngayon dahil merong Carl Ngu at merong Zach C na sumasalo ng scoring load para sa kanya ngayon dito sa St. Jude Catholic School.
Hindi siya pressure to score eh. He was just running the transition offense. Alam naman yan, sinasabi nga natin, isa yan sa mga strength niya, driving from the transition. So, kahit mag-3 against 1 man yan, he's still gonna attack because he has that skill to finish it.
Ethan Cow, no? Kita nga natin, di siya talaga gigil dahil yung mga ganong spin move niya, no? Pumapasok ngayon eh. Alam natin kung gigil siya talagang kailangan yung umiscore. Minsan napapalakas. Si daw Kobe de la Cruz na ipagpag na yung pilay kanina. Good sign here for Coach Luis Nolasco. Justin Manalili. Second free throw. Off there. 49-35. Our count, 2 minutes 39 seconds remaining in the third. St. Jude Catholic School up big. Zach C. Nagdalawang isip. Traveling violation.
So, talagang inaatangan ng referee natin eh. When he faked that, talaga alam ng referee that we're gonna go for that job. And then, yun na nga, natawagan agad ang traveling dito si Zach. So, pahinga muna dito si Ethan. A well-deserved rest for him with a 14-point lead para dito sa St. Jude. So, malamang babalik yan. Malamang na patapos na yung stretch natin sa fourth quarter. What a good defense right there by the white shirts.
No field goal being allowed here by St. Jude Catholic School. Still Jubilee searching for their first field goal here in the second half.
So yung lahat na yung 4 na puntos nila is coming from the free throw line. So ito pa.
Jericho Bautista now. His first point here in the game since the first quarter. 8 points.
He have 7 in the first quarter. He's been shut down in the second. Now he has 2 points here in the third. O tingnan natin kung yun na ba yung mag-uumpisa para magtuloy-tuloy ito si Jericho.
Lead down to 12 points for St. Jude Catholic School. 49-37. 2 minutes, 2 seconds remaining in the third. 18 seconds to shoot for the Green Knights. Keith Ngu gives it back to Zach C, who had a hot hand in the second quarter. Tan from the corner. Too strong. 3-on-2 break for Jubilee. Jericho Bautista. It's too strong. Offensive rebound for Jubilee. Bautista corner 3. That will be short. And Keith Ngu keeps the ball alive for Jubilee. Still nothing there for Jubilee. Zaxi now running. But Jericho Bautista will intercept it for Jubilee.
Still 1 minute and 20 seconds left here. They could finish this quarter strong with this, they stay keeping aggressive. This is only a 12-point lead para dito sa St. Jude.
Good defense there. 7 seconds to shoot for Jubilee. But again, that defense, the closed door being shot to them by the boys of Coach Luis Nolasco, forcing Jubilee to commit that turnover. Jericho Bautista with that traveling violation. 1 minute 8 seconds remaining in the third quarter. 49-37. St. Jude Catholic School enjoying a 12-point lead. Zach C now directing plays.
So parang matatapos tayo dito sa third quarter without a field goal itong Jubilee. So this is gonna be the biggest story of the game. And another big story. Ito, si Keith Ngu. Anong sinasabi nyo kailangan ko extend yung shooting ko from the outside? Ayun, pinakitaan tayo.
Meron
Chris.
naman po pala ako, Coach Chris and Coach Joseph. 11 points in this quarter alone for Keith Ngu. Last 39 seconds. Pull-up jumper. Carl Uy. Still no basket, no field goals for Jubilee. 3-on-2. Zach Z. Oh, wasted opportunity. Overpassing there for St. Jude. Panira na ni Zaxi.
Zaxi also has a good intention in driving and drop passing, but Keith Ngu is not ready for that extra pass. But Keith Ngu was ready for that offensive rebound if the outcome of that shot by Zach.
23 seconds remaining. Carluy being defended well. Manalini. But there will be a foul. 2 white shirts there. And again, that will be against Lee. Isaac Lee, first personal foul. Penalty situation now for St. Jude Catholic School. Last 17.5 seconds remaining. First free throw is good for Justine Manalili. Still, Jubilee Christian Academy wanting that field goal. Nothing there. Second free throw, 14 seconds remaining. 12 for St. Jude Catholic School. 10. What will they do? But Carl Lui keeps it alive for Jubilee. Helter-skelter basketball. Loose ball. And time will expire. That will do it. 52-38. St. Jude Catholic School is up. As we go into the payoff period, we will be right back. See there, wild sequence there. Third quarter highlights brought to us by Smart Sports. Keith Ngu, 11 points. And that quarter alone, towing St. Jude to this 14-point lead together with Ethan Cow. That 1-2 punch for St. Jude Catholic School doing wonders. And we will be right back.
Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
And we are back here for the payoff period. We are in the Don Domingo Yuchu Memorial Gymnasium of Puno High School here at the heart of Tondo, Manila. The battleground of the 11th season of the Philippine Chingin Athletic Association. Tatsia Hao, Tatsia Wan-an, Washer, Coach Chris King de la Cruz, and I'm with Coach Joseph Guion bringing you the action of this quarterfinal game. St. Jude Catholic School having that twice to beat advantage, leading by 14 points. Fourth quarter is brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum, Jubilee Christian Academy now. Harlur from way beyond hits the iron. Lee protects the letter.
The drought still continues para dito sa Jubilee for the no field goals. The start of the third quarter, and then also here at the start of the fourth quarter, wala pa rin.
Tan open for three. Not that time. Gus Tan secures the board for Jubilee. Back to Manalili. Kit Sio now being fielded in by Coach Benji Sipin. 9 seconds to shoot. Gus Tan, does he know it? Norman Tan, but foul there while the shot clock was winding down.
No, so again, we're gonna get their 2 points on the free throw line.
Still scoreless on the field ang Jubilee Christian Academy. The drought continues here in the second half for them. All their points came from the free throw line. Norman Tan cashing at that first and second free throw. 12-point lead still being held by St. Jude Catholic School. Ethan Cow. Keith Ngu still fielded in by Coach Luis Nolasco, taking no chances. 8 minutes, 50 seconds remaining.
So full court press right there by Jubilee. A quick double. Now they're successful. Probably ito na nga yun, yung unang basket nila on the second half to cut down the lead into 10. So look at that press.
The 12-minute drought is over for Jubilee. 10-point lead. Zach C. But he will score underneath with that up and under move to stretch the lead again to 14 points, 54-42 for St. Jude Catholic School. Ryan Tan was fouled there. Ethan Cow being called for that personal foul. Second team foul for St. Jude Catholic School. 16 on the shot clock now for Jubilee. Harloy. Three-pointer is no good for Jubilee. Christian Kobe de la Cruz forward pass to Zach Z. Back to Kobe de la Cruz. Trying to find a friend here. Ethan Cow, Zach C. Open for three. No good. Ethan Cow, offensive rebound. And he will commit the traveling violation. Big clobber there by 3 maroon shirts.
So a good call right there. A good no call by the referee. Pero yun na nga, I give credit to Ethan to getting that rebound against 3 maroon shirts.
Energy level, no? Na-suck out na nung drought na yun. Parang nawalan ng gana. Nakatingin na lang 3 dark shirts dun. Biglang sumulpot sa atabi nila si Ethan Cow as we see here. Another foul. Nathan Ngo, second personal foul for St. Jude. Third team foul while Jubilee has yet to foul in this quarter. 18 seconds to shoot for Jubilee. Give and go. Tan to Tan. No good. Still namamaga ang ring para sa Jubilee Christian Academy.
He still cannot buy a basket. Nakaisa lang sila dito in the second half. Samantala naman dito sa St. Jude. Yun na nga.
See that energy of Ethan Cow contesting every rebound. Good break here for Jubilee. Ryan Tan gives it to Sio. Banalili down underneath the 2 field goals of...
Still 7 minutes para dito sa Jubilee with only 10-point lead. Talagang may, kumbaga, i-target mo lang dito. Bago mag-4, you're only down by 5 to keep the game at close. So the striking distance. So force turnover, keep attacking the basket, go to the free throw line. Diba? Play hard, good defense. Yun yung kailangan dito sa mga bata ni Coach Benji Sipin.
Zach C being checked out, preserving him for the last stretches of this game as Jubilee trims down this lead to only 10 points, 54-44. 6 minutes 37 left. Manalili, 3 field goals of Jubilee courtesy of Justin Manalili, and Coach Luis Nolasco would want to talk things over. 52-46 lamang ng St. Jude Catholic School. Looking good here ang Jubilee, and we will be right back.
I value this the most.
Sulitin natin.
You guys ready?
Power all 99, please.
All access data and only TikTok for only 99 pesos.
Magic data for me.
Data that doesn't expire up to 99 pesos. Smart Super Value deals coming right up.
Get the most out of your 99 pesos. With PowerAll's 8 GB for all apps plus Unli TikTok.
Or magic data that doesn't expire. Switching? Simple with Smart eSIM.
Smart Super Value deals.
See here, dear parents of our players watching, and the officials of Jubilee Christian Academy actively involved in this game. As we see here, Coach Joseph, the bracket of the playoffs of the 11th season of BCYAA.
So St. Stephen is waiting for the winner of this series between St. Jude and JCA, Jubilee Christian Academy. Dito naman si MGC, nag-aabang na lang dito ng mananalo on Thursday between UNO and PCC. Now, St. Stephen and MGC has the twice with advantage going to the finals. Sabi nga natin, we're gonna have a long break after this week because of the exam week na mangyayari sa mga schools. So, talagang mag-iiba din yung dimension yan. Ikaw yung St. Stephen, almost 3 weeks ka walang laro. So, well, discarded ng mga coaches dyan. Either they're gonna go for that tune-up games or ita-tighten up nila yung practices nila. Pero yun na nga. So, magkita-kita tayo after this week, after 2 weeks. So, balik tayo dito sa action. With 6 minutes left here, there's only a down by 8. Itong Jubilee, kaya napatayaman si Coach Luis. So, mapapaba pa sana nila sa 6. Ito yung kagustuhan ni Coach Benji. Pero yun na nga. With a good defense right there for the white shirts.
Active hands there for the white shirts, keeping Jubilee frustrated in every field goal attempt. Keith Ngu kicks it out. 3-point shot, in and out. Keith Ngu. Second serving is not good. Ethan Cow spins. Bank shot is not good. Jubilee now would want to create, wanting to trim down this lead.
I like the intensity here of the Jubilee. It's not only the players is pushing, also the coaches and their bench, and also their parents and the supporters is shouting them to go hard, go straight to the basket. Oh, ayaw talaga. Balik sa kanila yung bola dito. Carl Uy, steal.
Carl Uy saving that possession for Jubilee. 8 seconds to shoot. Wild shot there. Taken by Christian Kobe de la Cruz. He will wait for his troops to settle. 4 minutes, 50 seconds remaining. 54-46. St. Jude Catholic School still up. Keith Ngu providing the screen. Ethan Cow, thought of the 3, goes all the way inside. No good, but Keith Ngu again with a clean up job.
Yan yung buhay ni Keith Ngu. Take the shot. I'm gonna be there for the offensive basket. I'm be the one to clean up your mess.
And tough break here for Jubilee Christian Academy. Offensive foul against Gus Norman Tan. Third personal foul and first team foul against the Jubilee Christian Academy. 10-point lead for St. Jude. Sheeran Tan, the big guy for St. Jude, checking back in. 4 minutes, 22 seconds remaining in this quarterfinal game. St. Jude Catholic School holding the twice to beat advantage here against Jubilee Christian Academy. Ethan Cow thought of the three. Nothing there. Kobe De La Cruz, three of his own. Strong. Jubilee Christian Academy pushing the pace. Carl Uy, still nothing there, but Gus Stan was there on the other side for the clean up job. Only the fourth field goal here for Jubilee in this half. 56-48, 8-point lead now for the Green Knights. Ethan Cow, 3-point shot, no good. Carl Uy secures the letter. Forward pass to Gus Stan. But Ethan Cow was there. Ethan Cow, 3-on-2. Side steps and he will be fouled. The basket will count for Ethan Cow.
Sinasabi natin, all of the fast break points, hindi lang half, mas mataas pa. Tingnan nyo dito yung replay. And in, out, and an end one para dito kay Ethan. Now it's 58-49 in favor of St. Jude.
And that sidestep move with a foul will force Coach Benji Sipin to call for a timeout. We'll be right back.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Offensive outbursts from Keith Ngu and Ethan Cow. It forces Coach Benji Sipin of Jubilee Christian Academy to call for a ceasefire with 3 minutes 29 seconds remaining in the payoff period in this quarter-final game between St. Jude Catholic School and Jubilee Christian Academy. St. Jude Catholic School enjoying a 58-48 lead and the twice to beat advantage, which will earn them, if they win this game, a ticket
To the
to
semifinals.
the semifinals against the number 1 seed St. Stephen, our host for this 11th season of the PCYAA, as Ethan Cow cashes in on that bonus free throw, makes it an 11-point lead. 59-48, 3 minutes 22 seconds remaining, fourth quarter. Jericho Bautista now for Jubilee. Tan drives, fades away, no good. Manalili, second serving will be good for Justin Manalili, who have taken the cudgels of scoring here for Jubilee.
It's a foul right here on the press para dito sa Jubilee. So, well, a better press break yung gagawin dito ng St. Jude.
Jericho Bautista committing his first personal foul. Ethan Cow kicks it out to Keith Ngu. Keith Ngu says, let's wait for our other brothers. Saxi now in the game. Kobe De La Cruz, smothered by 3. Dark shirts, Ethan Cow thought about the 3. 5 seconds to shoot, pulls up. No good. Sio running, forward pass to Jericho Bautista on the post. Gives it up to Gus Stan in the middle. Still no good for Jubilee Christian
And
Academy.
that's the night right there for Jubilee. Kanina pa yan, since nag-start tayo dito sa third quarter, hirap na hirap sila makakuha ng field goals.
Parang isinumpa yung ring dun sa kabila. No? Nakasara para sa Jubilee Christian Academy with 2 minutes 10 seconds remaining. Ethan Cow from way out. No good. Ryan Tan secures the board for Jubilee as we now enter the twilight zone here in our second game, the quarterfinal game. Manalili, no good. Gus Stan.
So it's gonna be a free throw para dito kay Gus with 1 minute and 50. So may chance sila may ibaba nila dito into 7. Yung pinakamababa dito na ibaba nila is to 8 points.
Let's see. Baseline throw in with 14 seconds for Jubilee Christian
Not a free
Academy.
throw. I thought it's a penalty na itong St. Jude. Wow, what a defense.
Sputtered there by Keith Ngu. Keith Ngu doing his thing on both ends of the floor. Scoring, defending for the Green Knights tonight. Kobe De La Cruz stabilizing the Green Knights stand. Corner 3. Ethan Cao bothering that possession para makababa ang kanilang depensa. Coach Benji Sipin, Jubilee Christian Academy calling their timeout, their last timeout of this game. They're trailing by 9, 59-50. We will be right back.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond. Only with Smart Postpaid.
And we would like to acknowledge our chairman of the board of the Philippine Chingyan Athletic Association, Coach Sherwin Tiu on your screen, the man behind the Wonders sports program of St. Jude Catholic School. Alam mo, nagkakalaro ko si Sherwin dati. Terror yan, no? Sa ilalim. Mahirap bantayan niya si Coach Sherwin Tiu.
Okay. Kita naman sa height niya eh. And well, we're having that height in playing basketball. So talaga yun yung advantage niya.
See your parents of the Green Knights on your screens enjoying here the game with St. Jude. Up 59-50 with 1 minute 27 seconds remaining. Jericho Bautista off balance there. Ball is alive. Miscommunication there for Jubilee. Jericho Bautista expecting a foul being called. No call was made. Play continued. For team foul for Jubilee. Norman Tan committing that foul. 1 minute 21 seconds remaining.
So after that timeout, a turnover para dito sa mga bata ni Coach Benji. So yun na nga, ito yung gabi nila. This second half, suck their game off. Kumbaga, dun sila tinapos dito with a bad field goals percentage here in the second half. Pero they're still trying here with 1 minute left here in their season.
And let's talk about the scenarios, no, Coach Joseph. As we see here, 1 minute and 2 seconds remaining. 9-point lead, St. Jude Catholic School. Penalty situation for St. Jude. Jericho Bautista silenced here in the second half. That's the story of this game. Good defense by St. Jude. Jericho Bautista reduced to 9 points. Carl Uy, 7 points.
Ngayon, nilimit nila lahat yung scorers nila dito sa game na to. Talagang napaghandaan dito nila Coach Luis. At saka itong white shirts, itong maroons.
Magahayaan mo nang umiscore si Justin Manalino ng 16 and 13 rebounds. Basta yung usual suspects mo na Jericho Bautista tsaka yung Carl Uy, wag maka-score, and that's the strategy that spelled the difference here. Work wonders for Coach Luis Nolasco. Last 53 seconds. Carl Ngu, the man of the hour for St. Jude Catholic School, 28 points, 15 rebounds. 8 to shoot here for the Green Knights. Carl Ngu, one-handed shot, no good. 40 seconds remaining. Carl Uy still being defended well by three white shirts and forces his way inside. Coach Luis Nolasco wants to make sure how to close out this game. 59-53, 6-point lead, St. Jude Catholic School, 33.7 seconds remaining. We will be back after this timeout.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Again, the St. Jude faithful here. Beautiful faces of the Judenites. Binabati natin ang mga kaibigan natin. St. Jude Catholic School Batch 2000. Mga kaibigan natin dyan, pinangungunahan ni paring Willard Cheng. Mga kabatch natin dyan. Vince Gulanco, kasama din namin, kabatch namin yan. And parents here of our players. Also the supporters of Jubilee Christian Academy up in prayers. Pwede pang makahabol. No? Wala namang imposible. 6 na puntos na kalamangan. 33.7 seconds remaining. Door slightly open for the Jubilee Christian Academy. One good defensive stop. One good play offensively. They're still back here but
Yung sinasabi natin na taking chances. 33 seconds, 6-point lead. Kung pwede mo tayo matan at maayos mo dito, itong press break mo, yan si Coach Luis.
both teams now in penalty. Cross-court pass.
What a steal right here. Tingnan natin dito. Pag na-convert to, it's gonna be a different story here para dito sa Jubilee.
18 seconds to shoot. 20 on the game clock. Just Jericho Bautista was fouled. And he will shoot 2 free throws with 17.2 remaining. Chance to trim down this lead and inch their way back closer to 4 points. Jericho Bautista shut down to 9 points here. And fails to sink in that first free throw. Let's see here. Second free throw. Jericho Bautista. The door still open for Jubilee Christian Academy. Second free throw. In and out.
So 5-point lead, 17.2. So another good press here.
Zach C. Gives it up to Kobe De La Cruz. Balik kay Zach C.
So I
8
think that's
seconds.
it.
Jubilee not fouling. 3 seconds and that would be good it for St. Jude Catholic School. 59-54. They will march on to the semifinal round of the 11th season of the Philippine Qingyin Athletic Association, presented to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. They will face our host, the number 1 seed, St. Stephen High School, in around 3 weeks' time. Let's see here. Keith Ngu doing wonders here, scoring 11 big points in the third quarter to lift St. Jude Catholic School, go beyond the distance at iwanan ang Jubilee Christian Academy in the first or in the second half, taking the fight away from the Jubilee Christian Academy. See here in our screens the jubilant Green Knights of St. Jude Catholic School. Keith Ngu, our best player of the ball game. Well deserved here for Keith Ngu. 28 big points, 15 rebounds, and 4 assists for this young big gun of Coach Luis Nolasco. And let's see the bracketing. As we have said earlier, St. Jude Catholic School eliminating Jubilee Christian Academy.
Now, the first phase of our semifinals is already complete with St. Stephen High School as the number 1 team battling out with St. Jude Catholic School. St. Stephen High School is a twice to beat advantage. Punta tayo dito sa second bracket natin with MGC. New Lifers is waiting. Who's gonna win on Uno and PCC?
And as we have said, no, on Thursday, quarterfinals will continue. Uno High School, number 3, will battle Philippine Cultural College, number 3 and number 6 seed. Uno has the twice to beat advantage, and semifinals between St. Stephen High School 1 and 4 against St. Jude Catholic School. St. Stephen, our host, holds the twice to beat advantage. It has been a nice day to work with you,
And,
Coach Joseph.
good season para kudos to Jubilee Christian Academy, starting the season with 3-0. Nakabawi sila. Ayun nga, they are losing streak with 3 straight loss. In their last game, they have 4-3. And then, they have a good season. So, tingnan natin in the preparation for the next season dito sa season 12 natin sa Philippine Chingin.
See here the Smart Sports game highlights. Zach C contributing well in the second quarter. And on behalf of the good men in the production team of the Philippine Chingin Athletic Association, for Coach Joseph Pion, this has been Coach Chris King de la Cruz. CSA, 再见.
Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.